30 seconds. That's how long it's going to take before they reach out to you. Not 30 minutes, not 30 hours, 30 seconds. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make it happen. Right now, while you're watching this. Hi, I'm Amanda Hicks, and I specialize in helping people create instant shifts in their relationships, the kind that make your phone light up when you least expect it. If you're new here, buckle up, because what we're about to do is going to feel almost too simple to work. But it does. Trust me, it does. And if you've been here before, you already know. When I say something works instantly, I mean it. But first, I need to know something. How long has it been since they last reached out first? Since they initiated contact without you having to do anything? Type too long if it's been a while. Or drop the number of days. Just be honest. Because that drought, it ends in the next 30 seconds. Literally. Look, I know you've probably tried other techniques, other methods, other visualizations, and maybe they worked. Eventually. Days later. Weeks later. But what if you didn't have to wait? What if you could know, with absolute certainty, that they're about to contact you in the next half minute? No hoping, no wishing, no I'll try this and see what happens. Just pure knowing. That's what we're doing here. We're stepping into a state of absolute certainty, where you're not trying to make something happen. You already know it's happening. And when you're in that state, the universe has no choice but to say yes. Here's what most people get wrong. They do a technique and then immediately start checking their phone, wondering if it worked, doubting if it's real. That doubt, that cancels everything out. But when you do what I'm about to show you, and you do it from a place of complete knowing, there's nothing to check, because you already know the outcome. Sound good? Let's do this. All right, here's what you're going to need. Your phone. That's it. Grab it right now if it's not already in your hand. Got it? Good. Now, before we do the technique, I need you to get into the right state, because this isn't about the physical action. It's about the energy behind it. Take a deep breath with me. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Again. In and out. One more time. In and out. Now, I want you to feel something. Not hope, not wishful thinking. Certainty. I want you to feel the absolute knowing that they're about to reach out to you. Not because you're forcing it, not because you're manipulating anything, but because you're tapped into a truth that already exists. They're already thinking about you. They already want to reach out. You're just activating it. Can you feel that? That shift from hoping to knowing. That's the state we're doing this from. Now, look at your phone. Really look at it. This isn't just a device. Right now, in this moment, it's a direct line to them. A bridge between where you are and where they are. Here's what you're going to do. With your finger, I want you to trace their name on your phone screen, just their first name. Go ahead, do it right now, slowly, like you're writing it in the air. Feel the letters forming under your fingertip. See their name appearing on your screen, even though it's not physically there. Good. Now, say these words out loud. If you can't say them out loud, whisper them, or say them in your mind with absolute conviction. Call me. That's it, just those 2 words. Call me. Now here's the part that seals it. This is where the magic happens. Bring your phone close to your lips and blow on it. Gently, like you're blowing out a birthday candle. As you blow, imagine your intention, your knowing, your certainty, traveling through the air, across whatever distance separates you, and landing directly on them. They feel it, right now, as you blow on your phone. They feel this pull toward you. Done? Good. Now put your phone down, face down if possible. And here's the most important part. Let it go. Don't stare at your phone. Don't pick it up every 10 seconds to check. Don't wonder if it worked. You already know it worked. There's nothing to check. Because right now, as you're hearing these words, they're feeling you, they're thinking about you, and they're about to act on it. Within 30 seconds, maybe less, you're going to get a notification, a text, a call, a message, and when you do, you're not going to be surprised, because you already knew it was coming. Let me tell you why this works so fast. It's not about the physical action of tracing their name or blowing on your phone. Those are just anchors, ways to focus your intention. What makes this work is the state you're in when you do it. When you operate from hope, you're telling the universe, I don't have this yet, and the universe responds by keeping you in that state of not having. But when you operate from certainty, when you know something is already true, the universe has to mirror that back to you. You're not asking, you're not begging, you're not wondering, you're declaring, you're knowing, you're being. And that changes everything. Think about it. Have you ever just known something was going to happen before it did? Not hoped, not wished, just knew. And then it happened exactly as you knew it would. That's the state we're in right now. That's the energy you just sent to them. They can't ignore it. They can't resist it. Because it's not coming from desperation. It's coming from certainty. And certainty is magnetic. Right now, they might be thinking about you without knowing why. They might be feeling this urge to reach out. They might be picking up their phone and not even understanding what compelled them to do it. That's you. That's your energy reaching them. And in just a few more seconds, they're going to act on it. Now, I want you to picture something with me, not in the future, right now. Your phone lights up. You see their name. And there's this moment, this split second, where everything you've been waiting for just materializes. But here's what's different this time. You're not desperate when you see it. You're not relieved like you were holding your breath. You're calm. Because you knew it was coming. Feel that calm, that certainty, that knowing. That's who you are now. Not someone who chases, not someone who waits anxiously. Someone who knows. Someone whose energy is so clear, so certain, that reality has no choice but to match it. So what do you do after your phone goes off? You respond, naturally, calmly, like someone who wasn't sitting by their phone waiting. Because you weren't. You were just knowing. And that energy, that's what keeps them coming back. Not the games, not the playing hard to get. The genuine certainty that you're worth reaching out to, that you're worth pursuing. That's what you just tapped into. That's what you just activated. And here's the beautiful part. Once you've felt this kind of certainty, once you've experienced this instant shift, you can do it again, anytime, with anyone. This isn't a one-time thing. This is a state you can return to whenever you want. So, if your phone hasn't gone off yet, it's about to, any second now. And if it already has, welcome to the proof. Welcome to seeing how fast this works when you operate from knowing instead of hoping. If this worked for you, if your phone just lit up or you felt that shift, hit the like button. Let me know you're experiencing this. And subscribe if you haven't already, because I drop techniques like this regularly, and if you're not subscribed, you're going to miss them and have to go searching later. Turn on notifications too, so you're first to know when the next instant technique drops. And I have a membership where we go way deeper into this, where I share techniques that create even faster results, where there's a community of people who are now getting daily contact from their person. If you're serious about mastering this kind of instant creation, and you don't join, you're honestly just limiting yourself. I'm not pressuring you. I'm just telling you what's available. And when they reach out, again and again, and you realize you have this kind of power anytime you want it, come back and tell me. Drop a comment. Let me know this changed something for you. I'll be here. You just did something most people don't even know is possible. You created an instant shift in 30 seconds or less, not through force, not through manipulation, through certainty. And now that you know, you can do this. Now that you've felt how fast reality responds when you operate from knowing, everything changes. You're not waiting anymore. You're not hoping anymore. You're the one who knows, who creates, who calls things in instantly. And they're about to keep proving that to you. I'll see you in the next video.